Today I'll show you how to knit simple hearts with needles. Cast on 4 stitches using 2 different yarns on 1 needle. Four stitches and 4 stitches. First row, 1 slip, knit front and back, knit front and back, and purl. And second time, knit front and back, knit front and back, and purl. Wrong side, purl. Second row, 1 slip, knit front and back, 2 knit, 1, 2, knit front and back, purl. And second part, 1 slip, knit front and back, 2 knit front and back, purl. Purl wrong side. Next row, 1 slip, knit front and back, 4 knit, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit front and back, and purl. And second part. Wrong side, purl. Now knit the right side, join the 2 halves. Wrong side, purl. Knit 4 rows. It looks like this now. Continue knitting as follows. Slip 1, the first stitch. In every row, knit the next two stitches together, then work the pattern, knit in the right side, wrong side one sleeve, purl two stitches together and purl all stitches. Next one sleeve, knit two stitches together and knit. Next one sleeve, purl two together and purl all stitches. Continue on this pattern until 4 stitches remain. Four stitches, work two stitches together and two stitches together. Sew the two halves together. Sew the two halves together.